Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faris bin Faisal. My matrix number is 2024298098 and I am the leader of the Group 1 MAT112 assessment.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Adam Danish bin Azli. My matric number is 2024282282 and I am from Group 1 for the assessment for MAT 112.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Yazid bin Zulkifli and my matrix number is 2024252044 and I'm a member of Group 1 for assessment 2 in MAT 412 by Dr. Shima.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Imran Farhan bin Muhammad Faisal. My matrix number is 2024-435124. I am the members of Group 1. This is MAT 112 Assessment 2. Thank you.
Case study 1. You are assigned to set up a business and need to borrow a 15,000 ringgit loan for 3 years. There are 2 banks that you have surveyed for that loan. Below are the details of the bank. The first one is ABC Bank, which the interest rate charged is 5.25% compounded every 4 months. And the second one is the XYZ Bank, and the interest rate charged is 5.75% compounded quarterly. All the keywords I highlight is the 15,000 ringgit and 3 years, and 5.25% compounded every 4 months, and the last is and lastly is 5.75% compounded quarterly. All this information we can apply to our term, and then apply to our all the information we can apply to the terms and then apply to our formula. The first one is principal value, P is 15,000 ringgit, and then time, T is 3 years. Then interest rate, K, and then interest rate, the first K is 5.25%, the second K is 5.75%, and the interest period and the interest period calculated in the year denoted. And the interest period is, the first M is 3 and the second M is 4. Periodic interest rate is I. The periodic interest rate is I equals to K over M. Number of interest periods, N equals to M. Number of interest period, N equals to MT. Survey bank is ABC Bank. The 2 formulas we are using in this, we will be using 2 formula, which is future value, S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power N, and the second formula is compound interest, I equals to S minus P. Step 1, we will take out taking out all the terms to be using in our formula. The first is P equals to 15,000 ringgit, and then I equals to K over M, which is 0.025 over 3 equals to, and then I equals to K over M, which is 0.0525 over 3, and then N equals to MT, which is 3, and then N times and then M equals to MT, and then N equals to MT is 3 times 3. And the second step, we will be using the formula of future value, which will be S equal 15,000 ringgit bracket 1 plus 0.0525 over 3 bracket power 3 times 3, and the S will be equal to 70,534 ringgit 81 cent. The last step is, and then the last step we will be using I equals to S minus P. I equals to 70,534 ringgit 81 cent minus 50,000 ringgit, and then the I will be equals to 2,534 ringgit 81 cent. And the second survey bank will be the XYZ Bank. We will be using the future value S plus, we will be using the formula of future value and the compound interest. Step 1, like the previous one, we will need to take out all the terms at first to be using in the formula. The first one will be P equals to 50,000 ringgit, and then I equals to K over M will be 0.0575 over 4. And lastly, N equals to MT will be 4 times 3. Second step, we'll be using the formula of each value, which is S equals to 15,000 ringgit, bracket 1 plus 0.0575 over 4, bracket 4 times 3. And the S will be 70,802 ringgit 20 cent. In the last step, we will be using compound interest formula, which is I will be 2,802 ringgit 20 cent. As you can see, the interest charge for ABC Bank will be 2,534 ringgit and 81 cent. And the interest charge for SYZ Bank will be 2,802 ringgit and 20 cent.
Okay, so for the question ABC Bank, we use the formula future value S and also the compound interest. As you can see here, we have step 1 until step 5. So the answer should be for the S future value 60,645 ringgit 54 cent, and interest charge for the compound interest 1,345 ringgit 54 cent. And also the step 3, we exchange the S new and the P new. We use the compound interest as the P new. So 17,488 ringgit 22 cent for the S new, and also for the compound interest 842 cent and 842 ringgit 68 cent. And also for the total interest paid, we must sum up, and we got the answer, which is 2,488 ringgit 22 cent.
For case study 2, question A, Puan Ainun has two choices. For choice 1, she accepts the 2,005,000 gratuity and invests the whole amount in an account that pays 0.6% compound monthly. For choice 2, she joined a private retirement and she'll get 8,500 ringgit every month for 24 years. For choice 1, you should use the formula A equals R in parenthesis 1 minus in parenthesis 1 plus I in the power of negative n per I. Next, you should find the power of n first. The formula of n is n equals mt, and you'll get 12t for n. I is the formula you should find next. The formula of I is I equals k per m, and you get 0.006 per 12. And then you can put all the amount in the formula, and you get the amount of t, which is 26.5 year. Next, you can find the whole amount that Puan Ainun get for choice 1, and the amount is 2,703,000 ringgit. Choice 2, you get the amount which is 2,448,000 ringgit. In conclusion, Puan Ainun should choose option 1 because it offers more amount compared to option 2. Thank you.
So after reading all the question, we must highlight the down payment, 60 equal monthly payment, cost 13,850, interest charge 4%, compounded monthly. So we must list all the keywords, and as been shown in the slide. As you can see here, all the things must be denoted as on the formula. Okay, so for the question B1, question B2, we must use the formula, present value, and also the interest charge. So the down payment from the actual price, so we calculated, and we got the answer, which is 10,387 ringgit 50 cent for, and then we must find the monthly payment, which is denoted as R. So the answer should be 191 ringgit 30 cent. For the step 3, we for the interest charge, which is the answer should be 1,090 ringgit 50 cent.
For question B2, for the question you have to use the present value formula, which is shown in the slide, and then the answer should be RM 5,452 and 74 cents. That is the value of the additional that you have to make. Next, To find the interest that has to be paid, you have to use the interest formula, which is I equals to NR minus A. And the answer should be RM 286.26 cents. That's it. Done.
Okay, so for the case study 2, we want to find the sixth payment. So we use the formula future value as shown in the slide. So the answer, we must verify all the notes and the important thing. So the answer that you must have is 1,157 ringgit 41 sen.